Hi, this is Jessica with Dining Traveler, and welcome to the Dining Traveler cooking series, and we're celebrating 5 years of cooking dishes from our favorite destinations at home. So I decided to kick it off with a series with some very easy global recipes that you can even make. And this time we're headed to Thailand, which is one of the places that I absolutely love. And we're gonna make Chicken Galangal Soup. This soup is nice and rich with coconut milk, mushrooms, spices. It is very easy to make, and it's the perfect addition to your weekday rotation. So let's get started. We're getting started with a chicken stock as the base, and we are gonna bring that to a boil. And then we're gonna go ahead and add the aromatics, the galangal, and the lemongrass. Next, we're gonna add the kaffir lime leaves. These are dry, so what I did is I crushed them a little bit with my hands so that flavor can come out. And now we're gonna add the Thai chilies. Obviously more is gonna be more spicy. We like it a little spicy here, but you can add as many as you like. The stock and the aromatics have been cooking for around 3 minutes. You can really smell that aroma, and now it's time to add the coconut milk. So I learned to make this chicken galangal soup, tom Kha Gai, in Chiang Rai, Thailand, at this beautiful hotel called Anantara Golden Triangle. And it also has an elephant sanctuary, so you actually see elephants roaming around the property. It is absolutely stunning, but they even have a cooking school. They have a garden in premises. It is amazing to be able to do a Thai cooking class with a Thai chef and just also learn all those nuances of the different ingredients of that cuisine. Now that it's been a few minutes, we're gonna lower the heat and add the chicken breast. We're also gonna add the mushrooms now. These are brown Japanese mushrooms. The original recipe calls for angel mushrooms, but any small brown mushrooms will do for this recipe. We're gonna let this cook on medium heat for 12 to 15 minutes until the chicken is cooked. We're making chicken galangal soup. But what is galangal? So galangal is in the same family as ginger, but it's not gonna have that strong, spicy ginger taste. It's gonna be a little bit lighter. You'll still smell a little bit of that gingery note, but it's cinnamon, flowers, cardamom. It does have a lovely aroma to it, but it's definitely lighter. This is also what you're gonna see as the base of curry paste in Thailand. This is actually relatively easy to find at Asian supermarkets. Some have it fresh, or if you can't find it fresh, make sure that you check the frozen section. It's been around 15 minutes and our chicken is cooked through. So now we're gonna add those last ingredients, and that is fish sauce, tamarind juice, and fresh lime juice. After we put the sauces and the juices, we let it sit for 1 minute, and now it's ready to plate. I like to garnish it with some chili oil and cilantro. You can make it as spicy or fragrant as you like. And now to my favorite part, to taste. It's lovely. The soup is nice and fragrant with the coconut, galangal, lemongrass. It will take you back to Thailand, even if you're somewhere dreary and snowy this winter. This recipe is very easy to make. It takes around half an hour. Spend less than $20 worth of ingredients, and it makes a great weekday recipe / virtual trip to the tropics. With that, if you guys have any questions or any feedback, please add them in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And sawadi, bye.